Okay, today we are making simply delicious Suji with carrots. So this is a kheer, a dessert which is very simple to make and is very fast to make. If you have guests coming to your house, will be a good dish to serve to your guests. Okay, now we start. The ingredient that you require is Suji, half a cup, almonds grounded 1 cup, sugar half a cup, cardamom around 6 pieces, milk 1 liter, and last not least to forget is carrots, and you grate finely 1 carrot. Okay, this is how you make. You put in the suji and the ground almonds and let it roast for 5 to 10 minutes. So when you roast the suji and the almonds, you can see it's slightly brown already. So at this point of time, you add in the cardamom and add in the milk. Milk is 1 liter. Then you add in the sugar. And let the milk boil. See the milk have boiled, you can take out the cardamom. At this point of time, you put in your carrots. And just stir 1 round. Off the fire. Your delicious suji have been made. It's that simple and that easy to make. And I hope you try this recipe and do write down any comments that you want to give. So that's all for now. Bye.